Guys, can you tell me if my Ripcord launcher, which is the Winder one the new bay that I got, yeah, my TikTok account just got deleted because I do not meet the age requirements, and I don't know why. Because I'm not banned in YouTube because we're allowed. By the way, based on the sound by the pro modders there of the Ripcord launcher, can you please comment down below in the comments to tell me if my Ripcord launcher is weak, strong, or perfect, or nice. I don't know because every time I launch, it just goes like, yeah, and it slows down. It's just like bumpy because there's a lot of lines in my arena. But let's do this. Let it rip. Oh, stream dash. Yeah. By the way, to the pro. Shut up first, Black Dragon. By the pro modders there of Beyblade, can you please comment down below the comments and then tell me if my launcher is good or not? Oh, let me try that one more time. As hard as strong as I can. So I don't know. But to the pro modders there of launchers, please, I have never been to get a single comment. I only get a little itsy bitsy comment. But please comment down below if my launcher is good or not. Alright, peace.